Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is OBAAPA Kitchen, and today guys, as you can see after me, Angwamu papebi AG. Yeah, so guys, as you can see in this video, I am enjoying my Ghana Angwamu, Ghana Koobi Angwamu, salted tilapia Angwamu. Guys, this recipe is so nice. I have a lot of people requesting for this video and I decided to make it finally. So guys, I am enjoying my Ghana Koobi Angwamu papebi. This flavor is amazing. One thing about Koobi Angwamu, guys, it is tasty and the flavor is awesome. Even though if you use a bad rice to cook, it will give a very nice flavor to the rice. Trust me guys. So if you want to learn how I make this, please stay tuned and let's get started. So guys, with my ingredients, I have my Titus Sardine. With this kind of sardine, you can get it from any African store. And guys, if you don't like this kind, don't use it, okay? And then I have 2 eggs right there. I love my Angwamu with eggs. Now, of course, I have my Koobi. I deboned all of it and then I cut it into pieces, and then I am going to use it for my Angwamu. It's looking really nice. So that is 1 full Koobi that I cut it. And guys, I have my oil on this side. I love this oil so much. And I'm going to add just 1 piece of garlic, guys. Try garlic. Garlic and I have my onion, tomatoes, and chili hot pepper. And guys, don't forget your rice. I have about 2 cups of rice. Yeah, use any rice of your choice, but with the Koobi, it's gonna taste nice anyways. Okay guys. I'm so excited for this recipe. I want more the egg. So now first I am going to cut the onion into 2, and I am going to use the other one later, and I am going to slice it into pieces. So this is what I am going to use to fry or to start with the oil. Okay, and one more what you charge in now the gum our shit na morning this is what you need. So now I am going to add my oil in a clean pot. Put your fire into a medium heat, and then we are going to use the teaspoon, and I'm going to measure about 5 teaspoons of oil. Yeah, that is what I am going to use. And then you can add your Koobi and allow it to cook. For those who doesn't know, Koobi is a salted tilapia. Yeah, Ghana we use it a lot. So allow it to cook until it turns brown. Yeah, keep stirring, allow it to cook, make sure it doesn't burn, and then we're going to add our onion. So with the onion, you just have to let it cook, let's say about 5 minutes, or until you see that it changes color and turns like a golden brownish color. That is what you need. So after you see that you're like what you see in the video, like the onion has turned into brown, then it is time to add your rice. So my rice is nice and washed, as you can see, and I'm going to add it, and then I'm going to give it a really nice stir, and then I'm going to allow it to cook as well. So just keep stirring, give it about, let's say 2 minutes, you know, and then stir it, and then allow it to cook for just 2 minutes. So guys, after 2 minutes, I'm using about 6 ounces of a cup, 6 ounce cup. Yeah, this is what I have. I'm going to add just 2 cups of lukewarm water. Don't add cold, make sure you add hot water, okay? And then give it another stir. And guys, I'm not sure, I know I'm using Koobi and I didn't add salt yet, so I'm going to taste this salt and see if it's the right taste for me. And I think I need just a little pinch of salt to make my rice complete. So as you can see, I just added a pinch of salt. And now give it a little nice stir and cover it in the medium heat and let it cook until the rice absorbs the water. And guys, as you can see, I have my aptoriwa, my eta asanka dish, asanka style today, guys. Yes, that's what you're going to do. So I'm going to cut a little bit of onion into it, and I am going to use my muscle, the muscle that my mama gave me. I'm going to use it, and I'm going to blend this in a sanka way. And guys, add a little bit of salt, because if you add the salt, it's gonna help you, and it's gonna blend really nice, guys. Trust me, when you added salt, it blend faster. As you can see, my garlic is representing. I'm so happy. Yeah, so keep blending this in Asanka style until you get a very nice and clear hot pepper. So this is basically how I make my hot pepper. And this, I'm not gonna add tomatoes. If you like tomatoes, guys, you can add tomatoes, just a little piece of tomatoes, because some people cannot take the heat because it's too spicy. If you don't like it spicy, just add just a little bit of pepper, maybe one, and then add one tomatoes. Okay. So now let's check the rice and see how it is so far. As you can see, the rice has already absorbed the water. This is what I want. So now I'm giving this a little stir to make the rice cook evenly. Yeah, it's not a big deal at all. So just give it a little stir. And guys, you know, so ready. And so now I tested my rice and make sure it's cooked. So I think it needs a little time. So right now I'm gonna add the oil from my sardine. And I'm gonna add that oil in the sardine. I'm gonna put it in my rice because I want more flavor. What's it? As you can see, it's smelling very, very nice right now. So after you add the sardine oil, just give it a little stir and then cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes, and then your rice will be ready. And let's come back to the egg. Guys, we are going to break 2 eggs, okay, and then I cut some tomatoes and onion. I use about a half tomatoes, not all of it, and then just a slice of onion. And then I like my egg a little spicy, so I'm going to add a little bit of hot pepper and then add just a pinch of salt. Give it a very nice good stir, okay, mix it very well before we fry it. So as you can see, guys, I have my very clean, nice pot. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. That is what I am going to use to fry the egg. If you don't like this oil, you can add coconut oil. That's what your choice. That's what you prefer. Go ahead and add it. And now we're going to allow the egg to cook. And guys, with the eggs, you can add any vegetable of your choice. With mine, I like just the tomato and onion only. That is my preference. If you'd like more vegetables, feel free and add it to it, okay? That is your choice. So guys, as you can see, my rice is very done. My Koobi Angwamu This rice is very, very nice, guys. With Koobi Angwamu, guys, it has a very, very nice flavor. If you don't like Koobi, you like momoni, use momoni. If you like stinky fish, guys, you can use momoni for Angwamu. Yes, I've used it before, I've tried before. It tastes very nice too, but make sure that the fry will come after you if you use momoni. But this Koobi is just perfect. So guys, this is how I make my Ghana Angwamu. You like as normal, I like mine with sardine, with mine with fried eggs. So give this recipe a try, guys. You're gonna love it, you're gonna enjoy it, your family is gonna be happy about it. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I love you all. I'll see you in my other one. Bye.